Did you know that there's a common habit you might be doing every single day that's silently contributing to muscle loss, particularly as you age? It's not just about lifting weights or going to the gym, it's about something far more subtle, and it could be affecting your health more than you realize. In this video, we'll uncover the secret that's secretly eroding your muscles, the impact it has on your overall strength, and most importantly, how you can stop it. Stay tuned to learn how to protect your muscles and prevent the dangerous condition known as sarcopenia. Welcome to Official Senior Health, your trusted source for health tips to help you live your best, healthiest life. As we get older, we often hear terms like muscle loss, weakness, or frailty thrown around. But one term in particular has been gaining attention lately: sarcopenia. This condition, characterized by the gradual loss of muscle mass and strength, affects millions of seniors worldwide. What most people don't realize is that sarcopenia doesn't just happen overnight. It's a slow, often silent process that can begin much earlier than you think. But the good news is, sarcopenia is not inevitable. In fact, many aspects of it can be prevented or slowed down with the right knowledge and lifestyle changes. So what triggers it? You might be surprised to learn that one seemingly harmless habit that so many seniors do every day is actually a major contributor to muscle loss. And if you're not careful, it could be putting you at risk. Imagine waking up one day, realizing that you've lost much of the strength and muscle mass you once had. What happened? The truth is, it's not just age that's at fault. There's a daily routine that many seniors unknowingly follow that's accelerating muscle loss, and you might be doing it too. Let's take a closer look at this everyday habit that could be leading to sarcopenia: the lack of physical activity. It's easy to assume that once you hit a certain age, it's normal to slow down. Maybe you find yourself sitting for longer periods, whether it's watching TV, reading a book, or simply enjoying a quiet afternoon. And while a bit of rest is essential, too much inactivity is a silent killer when it comes to your muscles. Our bodies are designed to be active. Movement is essential not just for maintaining our muscle mass, but for keeping our bones, joints, and cardiovascular system healthy. Unfortunately, as we age, our muscles start to naturally shrink, a process known as atrophy. But here's where it gets interesting. Research shows that the more sedentary you are, the faster this process accelerates. You see, muscles need regular use to stay strong and functional. When we remain inactive for long periods, our muscles don't get the stimulation they need to maintain their strength and size. Over time, this leads to a condition called sarcopenia. It's like a snowball effect. The less you move, the more muscle you lose, and the harder it becomes to get back on track. You might think that the occasional walk or stretch here and there is enough to prevent muscle loss, but what if I told you that sitting for hours on end could be doing more harm than good? Don't worry, we'll dive deeper into how this happens, and most importantly, how you can take control of your health today. Now, let's break down why exactly sitting for long periods triggers muscle loss. When you sit for extended hours, especially if you're in a position that doesn't engage your muscles, such as slouching or lying down, your muscles become inactive. This doesn't mean they're completely frozen, but they're not being put to the test. Inactivity like this contributes to a reduction in the muscle fibers responsible for strength. They start to weaken, and before you know it, you've lost muscle mass. Think about your legs for a moment. These muscles are crucial for everyday activities, from walking to climbing stairs and even standing up from a chair. If you're not engaging these muscles regularly, they become weak and stiff, leading to a condition known as muscle wasting. And as you might guess, this can significantly reduce your mobility and independence over time. The good news is, you don't need to become a fitness enthusiast overnight to protect your muscles. There's a simple yet powerful solution that can counteract the damage caused by long periods of sitting. Curious? Keep watching, and I'll show you exactly how you can start today. The problem with prolonged sitting goes beyond just your muscles. It also affects your metabolism. You've probably heard the term metabolic slowdown, and it's exactly what happens when your muscles aren't actively working. When you sit for long periods, your metabolism becomes sluggish, which in turn affects your body's ability to burn fat and build muscle. This makes it easier to gain weight and harder to maintain the muscle mass you have. It's easy to think that you can counteract this by simply working out more or eating more protein, but those things alone won't be enough if you're still sitting all day. The truth is, muscle loss is largely driven by inactivity. So while exercise is important, it's just as crucial to make sure you're staying active throughout the day. Want to know the secret to reversing this cycle of muscle loss? It's not about lifting heavy weights or spending hours at the gym. It's about movement, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to incorporate small yet powerful movements into your daily routine to fight muscle loss. So, what's the solution? How can you break the cycle of inactivity and muscle loss? The answer is simple: movement. But it's not just about setting aside time for a full workout. It's about making sure you're moving regularly throughout the day. Standing up every 30 minutes, walking around the house, or even doing simple stretches can make a huge difference. It doesn't take hours at the gym to build and maintain muscle. It takes consistent, regular movement. In fact, research has shown that simple activities like walking, standing, or even doing some light resistance exercises are incredibly effective in preventing sarcopenia and maintaining muscle mass. Let me share with you some easy practical tips you can start today to fight muscle loss and keep your body strong as you age, ready to take the first step. One of the most effective ways to prevent muscle loss is to include light resistance training into your routine. You don't need to become a bodybuilder, but simple exercises like squats, lunges, or even resistance bands can work wonders. The key is consistency. Even if you only do a few minutes of resistance training a few times a week, you'll be actively engaging your muscles and preventing them from shrinking. Additionally, incorporating balance and flexibility exercises can help you maintain strength and mobility, making everyday tasks easier and reducing the risk of falls. As you age, these types of exercises become even more important because they improve your coordination, posture, and stability. So, whether it's a yoga class, Tai Chi, or just doing some stretches at home, make sure to add balance exercises into your routine. The reality is, sarcopenia doesn't have to be a part of your aging process. By simply reducing periods of inactivity, moving more, and incorporating light resistance exercises into your daily routine, you can protect your muscles and maintain your strength. Remember, it's all about consistency, not perfection. Even the smallest change can have a huge impact on your health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an important tip on staying strong and healthy as you age. Thank you for watching Official Senior Health, and remember, your health is in your hands. Until next time, stay active, stay strong, and most importantly, stay healthy. Take care, and see you in the next video.